Once again, welcome back. And today we are going to solve question answer of chapter 8. Explanation is already shared in the first part of Birbal and the Barber, and this is the second part in which you will get the question answer. So let's begin. So the question number 1 is we need to answer these questions orally. So students you need not write in your copy. आपको अपनी कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है, ठीक है? आपको इसको orally आंसर देना है. So the first question is whom did the barber meet in his dream? Okay, so the answer is the barber said that he met Emperor Akbar's father in his dream. So the question number 2 is that is given in your book. So I'm giving you just answers. Okay. So question number 2 is why was Birbal chosen to go to heaven? So the answer is Birbal was chosen because he had a good sense of humor and would amuse the emperor's father. Question number 3. Why did Birbal want some time for preparation of the journey? Answer 3. Birbal wanted time to prepare a ditch for his grave and a tunnel through which to escape. Question number 4. Who was responsible for getting him into trouble according to Birbal? So the answer is according to Birbal, the barber was responsible for getting him into trouble. Answer number 4 is given here. Now the question number 5 is why did Birbal want to make a ditch near his house? So the answer is Birbal wanted to make the ditch near his house because he could then make a tunnel into his house to escape. Question number 6 is why did Emperor Akbar reward Birbal in the end? So the answer is Akbar rewarded Birbal for obeying his orders correctly while outwitting both the barber and the emperor. Take the correct option. Question number 1 is the emperor's barber was jealous of, so the correct answer is Birbal. Birbal lived in hiding for 6 months. Option D is correct. What was the message sent by Akbar's father through Birbal? To send Akbar's own barber. Now, question number 4 is after Birbal returned from heaven, the emperor sent. So, option 4, A option is correct. His barber there. Now, answer the following questions. What were the two conditions that Birbal desired to be fulfilled before he left for heaven? So, the answer number 1 is Birbal's two conditions were that he should be buried alive, that his grave should be close to his house. Now question number 2 is how did Birbal save himself? Answer 2 is Birbal saved himself with his wit and his intelligence. He dug a ditch close to his house and had a secret tunnel from the ditch to his house. When he was buried alive, he escaped through the tunnel and hid for 6 months. Question number 3 is why did the emperor's father send Birbal back from heaven? Answer 3 is the Birbal's father gave Birbal special permission to return to earth. Question number 4. What was the message sent by Emperor's father through Birbal? So, the message sent through Birbal by the Emperor's father was there were few barbers in heaven, therefore, he wanted the Emperor's own barber to be sent to heaven. Question number 5. Why was the Emperor's barber chosen to go to heaven? Answer number 5 is the Emperor's barber was chosen due to Birbal's trick when he said that the Emperor's father had asked for this particular barber. Now answer with reference to the question context. Now read the following sentence and answer the questions. So now these are the questions. First of all, you need to read the sentence. I'm so glad to hear that my father is fine. Who said these words and to whom? So ये सारे शब्द अकबर ने कहा था. ओके, अकबर said to बीरबल. Who brought the message? Message कौन लेके आया था? बीरबल. Where was the father being referred to in the given sentence? Okay. So the answer is the father was in heaven. Now think and answer. Do you think that wit and intellect help an individual to handle difficult and tricky situations well? What would you do if you were in the place of Birbal? So the answer is yes. Using wit and intellect, you can overcome a tough situation. Okay, I too would wish to do what Birbal did. Now question number 2. So next question is, what qualities of Birbal do you come to know from the story? So we come to know that Birbal was witty, है ना. Birbal जो थे वो विद्यमान थे, intelligent, right, and clever. Fine. So these were the qualities. So let's solve the book exercise. Now grammar spotlight. Prepositions, हमें prepositions solve करने हैं. Read the following sentences carefully. So the first question is, the Baba said to Akbar, I met your father in heaven. So what is in here? Preposition. Near is preposition. So I'm just solving the exercises given. Okay. So we need to tell which kind of preposition it is. Preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of direction, or preposition of indicating position. Fine. So let's read the question. Question is, underline the preposition in the following sentences and mention whether they tell us about the place, time, direction, or indicate position. So the first is, the barber was summoned to the court. कहाँ पर जाना है? कोर्ट. तो ये डायरेक्शन बता रहा है. एम्परर अकबर लुक्ड एट, अगेन इट्स टेलिंग preposition of डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, इट्स अगेन टेलिंग preposition of डायरेक्शन. द बर्ड फ्लू आउट ऑफ द केज. बर्ड जो है वो केज से बाहर निकल आई. ठीक है, तो ये भी क्या है? दिस इज अगेन द preposition of डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, आई एम नॉट राइटिंग हियर. So you can write it's a preposition of direction. The Baba stood near Birbal when he reached the court. तो ये क्या है? ये है preposition of place. क्या है ये? Preposition of place. Okay. Read the following sentences and circle the preposition in each as shown. So Mohit drew the picture with a pencil. Yes, it's a preposition. The little boy dived into the pond. तो यहाँ पे into preposition है. The CDs were kept in the bag. In preposition है. The children are jumping on the road. On preposition है. The fan was hanging over our heads. तो our preposition है. Now let's move to the next exercise. Spell well. Fill in the missing letters and form meaningful words. Use the words given in the box. So the first word is ditch. D-I-T-C-H. This is first word. Okay. Next word is humor. H-U-M-M-O-U-R. Humor is the second word. Next is intelligence. Intelligence is the third word. Okay. Sorry, not intelligence. It's intellect. This is third word. I-N-T-E-L-L-E-C-T. Intellect. Okay. Now the next word, fourth is sacrifice. तो sacrifice आपका fourth word है. S-A-C-R-I-F-I-C-E. Sacrifice. Now the next word is absolutely. A-B-S-O-L-U-T-E-L-Y. जो लास्ट वर्ड आपका बनेगा वो है परमिशन. सो परमिशन इज द लास्ट वर्ड. ओके, परमिशन. दिस इज सिक्स्थ वन. फाइन. नाउ टेक द सुटेबल phrases from the brackets and fill in the blanks to complete the following sentences. There was a big lock on the main door so the robbers could not. So the correct option is break into our house. Our car will break down. Break down is the correct option. Break down on the way if we do not get it repaired soon. The sculptor could not break away a small piece from the big rock. After a little misunderstanding, Ratan broke off his friendship with Tarun. After the floods, many diseases break out into the areas. Okay. So now you need to read this picture carefully. आपको ये पिक्चर बहुत ध्यान से देखना है और इसके बारे में बताना है कि ये पिक्चर क्या है, ठीक है, और व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट द वे किंग्स एंड एम्परर्स लिव्ड इन एंशिएंट टाइम्स, ठीक है. तो ये आपको खुद से करना है. नाउ लेट्स डू प्रोनाउंसिएशन प्रैक्टिस. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. प्रिस, ये जो है प्री साउंड है, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. इसके बाद कंक्लूजन, जन साउंड इज देयर, कंक्लूजन. नाउ क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन, बिगिनिंग, offend. Okay, now what do you think about the character of Barber? Write 4 sentences about him. So you can write that Barber was very cunning, he was jealous of Birbal. So आपको बारबल के बारे में लिखना है. Now imagine you have an appointment. अब आपको सोचना है कि आपका एक अपॉइंटमेंट है अकबर के साथ. इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ इंटरव्यू. सो आपको यहाँ पर सुटेबल वर्ड्स ऐड करने हैं. मी, योर हाइनेस, आई एम रियली ऑनर्ड दैट यू अग्री टू मीट अस. सबसे पहले तो हम उनको बोलेंगे कि आप हमसे मिलने के लिए अग्री हो गए. आई एम रियली ऑनर्ड फॉर दैट. यू आर अ ग्रेट एम्परर, EMPEROR, एम्परर. ओके. नाउ Akbar will reply, oh, thank you. Now I again say, as the emperor of this vast kingdom, what do you aim to do? आपका उद्देश्य क्या है करना? अकबर, I want my people to be happy. ठीक है, to be happy. मैं चाहता हूँ जो मेरे लोग हैं वो बहुत खुश रहें. and at peace, and at peace मतलब कि वो शांति में रहें. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, me, that's great. Do you take all your decision yourself? क्या आप सारा डिसीजन खुद ही लेते हैं? Do you take all the decision yourself? Now, no, I consult my advisors. तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे no, I consult my advisors. Okay. तो जो आप दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे दैट वुड बी हु इज़ योर मेन एडवाइज़र. सो अकबर विल रिप्लाई, दे आर कॉल्ड नवरत्न्स. ओके, हम उनको क्या कहते हैं? THEY, दे आर कॉल्ड नवरत्न्स, NAVRATANS, नवरत्न्स. नाउ बीरबल इज टेलिंग द नेम ऑफ नवरत्न. सो दे आर Abul Fazl. Okay, I'm writing over here Abul Fazl. Then after Abul Fazl, Raja Todarmal. Raja Todarmal. After Raja Todarmal, the third is Raja Man Singh. Okay, so this is Raja Man Singh. After Raja Man Singh, Birbal is already written here. Next question, Akbar is asking, it's me is asking, why do you rely upon him? So what will we write here? Upon him. Why do you rely upon him? So the answer is, he is wise and dependable. DEPENDABLE. He is wise and dependable. Now the next question is, Akbar is saying he is wise and dependable. he always gives me, he further added, he always gives me the right advice. Okay, so right and then advice, advice, right advice. Next question is me, no wonder, is he trusted by you? It has been nice talking to you. Okay, so what will be right here? It has been nice talking to you, so we will write here to you. I thank you for sparing your valuable time. Okay, valuable, valuable, valuable or valuable time for us, valuable time for us. Okay, next question is, now Akbar is saying I also enjoyed talking to you, thank you. Now dictionary skills, डिक्शनरी स्किल्स में आपको बताना है फोर्ट क्या होता है. तो फोर्ट क्या होती है? एक मिलिट्री बिल्डिंग होती है, MILITARY, अ मिलिट्री बिल्डिंग. ओके, और इस मिलिट्री बिल्डिंग का क्या काम होता है? टू प्रोटेक्ट. ओके, टू प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम एनिमी, टू प्रोटेक्ट. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज पैलेस. पैलेस का मतलब होता है कासल. कासल का मतलब महल, CASTLE, कासल. नाउ वैल्यूज़. ठीक है, सो दिस चैप्टर इज़ ओवर नाउ. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर